President Museveni omubutuma bw'obushomero enganzi hanga Robina Nabanja hasimira omuganda gwa Isanga ogwiyakozire okucungura ihanga.
I want to highlight and recognize his historical contribution to the Bush War of 1981 to 1986. During the war, our fighters received a lot of support in the form of food, money, medicine, etc. from the population, because the NRA was disciplined and patriotic, i.e., we were fighting for national and Pan-African interests.
Omubutuma bwa President ayorekire ngo iro muzeyi Isanga kuba omushagicu wa NRA abiri nakora emirimo y'entunguka omubwebembezo bwa NRM.
I learned that about 500 cows were taken. However, he was willing to risk his life and donate part of his wealth to the struggle because he recognized that the NRA was fighting for the right cause, that is to say, freeing the people of Uganda from dictatorship.
Okuziko oku kwikirwa abembezi batara bamwe na bamwe.
Naddala Bitembe muzeyi bw'amubbirako nti agenda kulwana n'amuwa lisiti y'abantu bagenda okusanga mu bulemezi. Mu bantu abo kwaliko muzeyi Isanga, kwaliko taata wa Kidiidi muzeyi Bagalukayo,
Cedra Kanzaire Kaguta nwajwe kireka ya Kaguta kandi asimira muzeyi Isanga abo kundi hangari ya Uganda.
Kumanya history ninde ingwa kokada nkusaba mwana wanje banondondera okusomaho basumu Ishaya mwenda ogwakana ebyanje biheromu kokana ngenda ko omugisha agenda ko omugisha oguyatasya tafire yatasya mwana we oyarwe nawe agarikira ntebe muterero mungaro yatasya mugarira ntebe ni mwamugarira mu ntebe mweterero mungaro okuterera President Museveni nabaye nari mbona nkarupoti itwantuiho RDC ni mwakikozere
Gasha kwa Thomas tumwebaze.